back inside the inside of the clicker wheel case. And now we have to put the screws back in. Again, I'll point to all of them. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 right under this piece of tape, which is connected to the ribbon cable that connects the hard drive. So let's start putting the screws back in. What I'm going to do is install the battery. And now I'm going to install the hard drive. Just match up the pins. You can see right here, here's the pins. There's a row of them right here. And they have to match up with the grooves of the hard drive. You see one groove is more like, what I'm pointing to here in the corner is elongated. And here it's round. As you can see here, this row of pins is an elongated end over here, followed by a row of pins, so it has to connect by the elongated hole, the female, right here, see? And that's where you connect it. That basically connect, there's only one way to do it, that's why they do that, this way it's not upside down or right side up, there's only one way to connect it, so it just goes right in here, and you just push that right in. And look at that, see? Nice and tight. And you just rest the hard drive like that. Now you have to connect the case. There's a ribbon cable which is connected to the chrome backing, which of course holds your earphone jack hold button. So this would connect right over here, pointing to it right here. Here's the socket, and that basically connects right here. You just push it right in. Like that. Here's the connection right here. All you got to do is close the case, and your iPod is like new, with a new click wheel. Back in business. If you have any questions, please ask. Any comments, please leave them below the video. And thank you for tuning in.